Hey, this is Paul. Hey everybody out in Bike Nerd Land. We're doing a little video today, and today we're out in the weather because that is a very important part of our topic today. We're going to discuss fenders and Fender Clearance. And we've got 3 bikes. This will probably be a 2-part video. We're going to talk about Motolites and fenders. We're going to talk about Racer M's and fenders, and we're going to talk about Minimotos and fenders. So stay tuned. Now, if you're looking for the biggest fender you could use with any of our rim brakes, this is going to be it. This is a 65 millimeter fender, and it's covering a 2.35 Big Apple slick tire. And if you can see right here, it's just barely touching. This is completely maxed out. It does work. It works great. Our customer service person, Travis, rides this bike to work nearly every day, and it works really good for him. And here we have the Racer M. This is a medium reach brake. And this is a go on a bike with a 32 millimeter tire. And this is a 45 millimeter fender, and that is for this brake. That's maxed this one out. That's the biggest that it will go. It's clearing there, but just barely. Works great though. And now we have the Minimoto, and on this bike, this is a workhorse bike. It's not super pretty. It's a commuter. Ridden almost every day. This is a 50 millimeter fender, and you can see we're not maxed out here. We could go a little bit bigger. We could raise the fender up, put a bigger tire in. This is a 35, but we're getting pretty close. So with the Minimoto, 50 millimeter fender and a 35 fits great. Extra clearance. Could maybe go a few millimeters bigger on both sides. So we've been talking about fenders and brakes, and the questions we get about the biggest fender. And to wrap things up, the Minimoto, about a 50 millimeter fender. Racer M, 45 millimeter, and for the big dog, the Motolite, we can go to a 65 millimeter fender. We'll be back next month with a couple more brakes to look at, and leave any questions or comments. Thank you.